So cute flowers. See, it's nice. I'm here now in City One at the back of City Mark building. You see the weather is cloudy. Then this is the sports complex also. See, have someone is playing basketball this side, and then the other side is someone they are playing also tennis. Some sounds of bird. And this area is dove is eating. See, dove, he found some food. See, he's alone. I don't want to share some food. Abdu Dove is coming, but he's fighting. Have someone to give them the food, I guess, because there's more. See, that one is some kind of food. And then he bring there, and now he's come to this food now. See, he's walking. See, he's walking, search him some food. I guess he want to take this food. See, see. He's searching. See now. Oh, finally found. He will bring there a bit far because I'm sitting here in front of that food. In the garden. See? They're so cute. They are hungry. So cute. So poor bird. Enjoy to eat, bird. You're alone to eat. Happy tummy, bird.